On this short video, I'm going to show you how to log into Khan Academy successfully so that you can share your scores with me and so that you can see which assignments are actually being assigned. So step one, go to login, continue with Google, and make sure you use your school Google. In this case, I'm going to use my personal because I want to show you what a student's end looks like. So if you don't see this screen automatically, you want to go to your name and pick Learner Home. And under the courses you're enrolled in, you can pick assignments for my course, and all the active assignments should show, as should past ones for other weeks. So um, these top four are ones you're going to be doing next week, and these bottom fives are ones that you should have completed last week. So if you go into the first one, you can either go to the lesson page or practice from right here. And so do a couple so it shows you what progress looks like. And I could keep going and find more and more of these. So after I've done that, what you're going to notice is that under progress, it's going to show you anything that you've completed, how long it took, how successful you were. If you notice that last one wasn't on there because I didn't successfully complete it. In fact, I didn't even attempt all of the questions, so nothing is logged in there. But everything that I had done earlier today, that is logged in there. So if for some reason you do work and I don't see it, you could always take a screenshot of this whole page, make sure that you include the part that has your name on it, and you could send that to me in email in case there is a problem. I hope that helps you figure out how to use Khan more proficiently.